The sky is crying just like me tonight. A symphony of raindrops, they shimmer in light. Pavements reflecting memories in the dark. With every tear released, I feel that spark. Dancing shadows, lose myself in the sound. Crying in the rain, let it wash me away. Dancing in the rhythm, come what may. Heartache and joy intertwined in a swirl. In the rain's embrace, I find my world. Each drop a whisper, a tender goodbye. In this downpour, I let out a sigh. Spinning around under stormy skies, finding comfort in clouds where sorrow lies. Laughing through the tears that fall so free. Wash me away. Dancing in the rhythm, come what may. Heartache and joy intertwined in a swirl. In the rain's embrace, I find my world. So here's to the storm, to the tears and the dance. In this melancholic love, I take my chance.